Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today I make a basket out of newspaper and hydrangea flower made of coffee filter. Here I glue 4 straws of newspaper to keep them from moving. Here I pass my straw over the right straw lying down, then under the next lying straw. And I repeat those steps until I have gone around twice. After that, I add another waving straw. I pass the first waving straw under the one lying down and the second straw over it. And I am doing all the way to the top of the basket. Of course, you will have to extend the branding straw as you go along. A little further on, straw will have to be added to the one which are currently lying down. Here, I will use a ball as a shape. And I keep waving while pressing on the ball. We can see the basket starting to take shape. Here we see that there is too much space between my flat straw, so I add straw between each of them using white glue. Here I cut my straw lying down because they are too bulky, and I am also done waving the basket. I just have to be careful to keep 2 inches off the end. And I keep waving by pressing on the ball. To close it off, we stick our 2 branding straws together. Then we take the straw from the right and insert it behind the next straw by making it come out inside the basket. This is how we go around the basket. Then we cut what stick out inside. It's time to paint the basket. I always use acrylic paint because it's no toxic, and when I paint, I often have cat with me. Now for hydrangea flower, I need 8 coffee filters. I cut bottom of my coffee filter, then the edge, leaving about 1.5 inches. I fold twice and cut the fold, always leaving 1.5 inches. Here I cut 3 petals and leave edge. No need for it to be perfect, there will be too many petals for that. I use food coloring to paint my flower. It is best to use a lot of water to make the color diffuse quickly. Now around the leaves, I fold my coffee filter in 4 and cut an oval. Still using food coloring, I dye my leaves and let them dry overnight. But you can dry them in the oven at 300 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After drying, I fold my leaves into an accordion shape to make a vines. Now I overlap my flower to give a natural effect. I also cut the leaves irregularly for the same reason. It's time to assemble our flower. I take the florist stick and with hot glue, I stick the first coffee filter by wrapping it on the stem. I could also use white glue and a skewer stick. I continue to add my filter, make sure to overlap them to give a natural effect. Notice that I am not making it too tight. The flower will look more natural if you leave it loose. Now I am sticking the leaves. If you like this video, click like, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friend.